This early 60s Končar elevator. No, early 80s. Excuse me. It's not really easy to find a lift with manual doors in skyscrapers in Zagreb. They usually have automatic doors, so this is quite a treat, I would say. Look at this pasta. Tasty. Here we go, and this is the last floor. 2-speed movement. Now let's check something out, guys. Look at the view. That's neat, isn't it? Let's make it stay here. Check out the view over there. Beautiful. Really beautiful. Very nice. Okay, now let's go back down. This lift is modernized, but this one is still in the phase it was in the early 80s. Here we go. To ground level. Come on. Oh, did I forget to undo the... Yeah, I did. Okay. There we go. Alright. Come on. Yeah. Nice. Very fast. I'm late for lunch now, so I just can't stop thinking about this pasta here. I'm sorry. Look at these holes, you can see the shaft through here. Interesting. Hello camera, what's up? Just try something else if I have enough memory. Just to do a door opening test. Alright. Now let's do it on second floor, so like right now. Ooh, that was nice. I actually managed to level it nice. Right, let's go. And then to ground level. Alright, now look at this full memory. Nice. Very good lift, very good lift. I almost lost my finger.
Oh, no.